Struggling with your HP laptop's Wi-Fi connection? Stay tuned as we reveal 5 effective methods to troubleshoot and get you back online. Press Windows plus X to open the Power User menu and choose Device Manager from the list. Now click on the Action menu and choose Scan for hardware changes from the list of options. Press Windows plus X to open the Power User menu and choose Device Manager from the list. Expand Network Adapters, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter, and then choose Uninstall Device from the context menu. Tick the checkbox for Attempt to remove the driver for this device, and then click on Uninstall. Once done, restart the device, and Windows will automatically install the best drivers for the Wi-Fi adapter. Press Windows plus R to open Run, type CMD, and hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Click Yes in the UAC prompt. Paste the following command and hit Enter to run the SFC Scan. SFC/Scano. Press Windows plus X to open the Power User menu and choose Device Manager from the list. Now, locate the Wi-Fi adapter under the Network Adapters entry, right-click on it, and choose Properties. Head to the Power Management tab, untick the checkbox for Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and click on OK to save the changes. Once done, restart the computer, and Wi-Fi should be working. Right-click the Windows button and click Device Manager. Now, locate the Wi-Fi adapter under the Network Adapters entry. Right-click on it, select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Press Win plus I to open Settings. In the left pane, select Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.